I just wanted to share an ammo score from this morning. Went to Walmart, getting some stuff before we hit the road tomorrow morning. Most people come to Vegas for the holidays. We leave it for the holidays. Anyway, scored 6 boxes of the CCI shoot'ems, the Troy Landry or whatever. They had 6 on the shelf, so 6 had to come home with me. There's the tag. 7:51 a.m. 7/2/16. I think they had some AR tacticals come in. For some reason, I opted for these. Anyway, that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later.